Okay, let's check out. Can you hear me properly? I'm gonna turn off the music. Let's see. Wait, hello, hello, hello. Let's check out. Can you hear me properly? I'm gonna turn off the music. Yeah, you can barely hear the music though. Okay, I'm gonna raise the music a bit more. La 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 la. Okay. You can barely hear though, so I'll just raise it a bit more. Then, there we go. Put music on, just to chill. Right, so, give me a moment though. There we go. We have 20 people waiting to join the server, man. What the hell? Anyways, let me link my Discord. Let me link my Discord. Okay. There we go. Next. Drop a like. Yeah, like for real. Yo. That's good, man. What's good? Okay, I think we're ready. What's it? We got everything. Everything. Just drop a like. Okay. Oh my god, I see this shit is moving though. Finally it's breaking out. I feel like this line I drew was perfect. Although I'll explain that I just didn't want to trade based on that. There we go. Nice. So, I'll read the questions and stuff later. I'll focus on charts first, honestly. Alright. Sorry, real world. What? Okay. Pre-analysis, there we go. So this is all today. No way. Alright. Outside of price to sell, the main catalyst today is the nomination hearing. Okay. because of course it's all just noise, but they'll be quizzing him about what he plans to do with interest rates, and if he's going to be a yes man for Trump, or is it going to be more dovish or hawkish, and so on, so on, so on. So headlines coming out of that will likely be potential market movers on the low time frames today. So that was 1 p.m. So 1 p.m. right there. I mean, right. 1 p.m. That was right there. So it started here, I guess. Anyways. Next. BTC rally pre-market. I need to see the charts. Okay. And then just about to touch a new all-time high pre-market. All-time high pre-market. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay, I got it. Okay. There we go. So that's what's going on there. We'll go through meme coins first, honestly, because they are like I've been seeing some momentum, honestly. More people and stuff, more coins, more volume. I see, but I'll see that in details. So from now, what I can see, self-aware meme, interesting, cool. But we're gonna go to Dex Screener, honestly. 3-4 hours. Asteroid, it did very well, but who would have known this, bro? Like, how do you know? 1, 2, 3, like, insane. Let me see some wallets. Yeah, I don't know these guys that we've had. It just bumped. I've been watching it for some time. I don't see anybody special. I don't see KOLs. My goodness. Yeah, these guys are at this point trying to do anything to make money because it's that bad. But why not? I guess if you just follow the alpha, which is a thing I will be talking about soon. Yeah. We've had two. It's interesting, you know? It's interesting meme. Although I don't know how much people care, but it's unique and interesting. Nice. There we go. What? What does this mean? Also this chart, okay. I'm not gonna touch that. So why, oh my goodness. Is that like, what's a meme about, bro? What am I looking for? What am I looking for? This. What's... I'll honestly just copy paste that. That's milking, basically. Who's this woman? It's Angel. It's Angel. Sir. Who's the... Sir? No, it's not Circle. What? Sir... Sir... What?
To announce that I'm officially partnered with Terminal. If you've never heard of me before, here's a little bit about me. I started off by playing video games such as Call of Duty and Fortnite on stream, and then I ended up with cash back.
Why does this have almost 300,000? Brev. Why does this have so many views on X though? This is like... How? Why does this have 71k, bro? Why? Why? Bro, this coin should go much higher, I swear. If this doesn't go higher, like, bro, I'm sending this. So, send this into my free one. That's first. This coin is absolute bomb. Jeez. Okay, there you go. That's a call. If you want to see the call, just join Discord. There is a link. I pinned it. I just sent the call. Although this is kind of concerning because these are all bots. You can see same transactions here. Clearly see that these are fake. So the question is how far they can push this. But if this doesn't go to like fucking mil, I don't know. Look at these, bro. Although the problem we are having is this and Doc, Trenchman, Alta. I know this guy. I know this guy as well. I know this guy as well. Been talking to this guy, bro. Insane. Insane. Like, this coin deserves to go much higher. It literally deserves. Oh, potentially we're having a dick here, but it's okay. So this coin is definitely my favorite. Although I didn't. The other one is obviously a scam. I'm just like, why is there? Nice. I see. Nice. This is my guy that I'm following. Once he buys, I like that. So I'm thinking to buy this as well. But I would like to wait a bit more for a better entry, if there is any. Maybe at 100k or something. Like there. For sure. For sure. Make it tick. Make it, yeah, there you go. So I like this. I like this coin a lot. It should push much higher, but it's just whether it's going to happen, right? I feel like everybody will talk about this. I just don't want to buy now. Although we got it here, we got almost 50% already. Yeah, I'll just leave it there. Honestly, I sent the call to the Discord. That's all I can do for now. Honestly, because I follow these guys. These guys are insane. Both this and this guy, they're insane. Okay, let's see deck screener. What is this shit, bro? Yeah, this feels like some scam. Obviously, it is. How? Like, sometimes I just feel like I want to trade these scam coins, bro. Because what is this? What is this, bro? You're telling me this is not a scam? You're telling me... Oh my god, somebody actually fucked up there. So, you're telling me that somebody just... Like, what? You're telling me that somebody just pumped this god candle. So if you followed my alpha thing... Shit, bro. Shit. But like, how are you supposed to know who's this guy? Yo, that's insane. That's honestly insane. If you actually just followed this guy, like, no comment, no comment. It is. It does look like a scam though, but in the same time, I just know that there is like so. Yeah, I just know there's so much money in this, bro. You're fucking with me, bro. Like, how do you? You can. These are all obviously bundles. Yeah, they are bundles. Like, how you can't just be so lucky to like, no. So what's the money? The money. Did I see this one? Why does chart look sketchy? Dumb money? I feel like I saw this. Yeah, chart is sketchy. But yeah, I will start buying these charts, honestly. These scams from now on. I swear. Sometimes I feel like buying these. You trying to obviously buy some terminal coin, right? Which is obvious narrative, and then it just dumps from nowhere. Like if this dumps from nowhere, like that's why you know, I want to say discipline and like trade narratives, but like this is such a narrative, and if this goes down, you're like, why? Like you just wonder like, why don't I just buy these like obvious scam coins, right? There we go. That's a push. I like that. I like that. I still don't want to buy though, because I don't care. It's on my entry. It's too late for me. Asteroid. Yeah, that's a banger coin, honestly. But like, okay, obviously not this one. Yeah, there is not much. There is not much. 24 hours. Asteroid, obviously, and yeah, basically nothing. Basically nothing. But it's good. I saw the tweets and PNLs from people, so happy for them. But that's it from memes, I guess. Okay. 200k. We just got a call. We just got a coin. We sent it. Right there, you're already 50% off. There we go. Well, I'll also like do that. Amazing. Anyways, burps. Time for burps. Also, wait. Before I go to burps, I have to see what's going on here. Yeah, that's true. That's so true. Put this here. Can I get... Nice. Is this a bot? What? OKX router. 10 Solana. Okay. 2k. What? Wrapped soul. Wrapped soul? Who the fuck uses wrapped soul for what? Perps. Okay. Let me just see a few more fucking wallets. Nice. Do I follow this guy? Yeah. I followed this guy. I should... Wait, let me find them. I want to put this guy like here. There we go. That's Axiom. You can basically do whatever we want. This guy. Like all of these guys are insane. And I feel like I just want to follow these, bro. I swear. You have KOLs, bro. You have fucking KOLs, bro. Like, what are we talking about? Like 100. Like there is no answer. Like so many KOLs, bro. Anyways, go back to trades. I honestly just want to see this, bro. Just them. Just them. And alpha. Alpha. Right there. There we go. It's pushing higher, guys. So happy. So happy. If anybody caught that from the call, that's good. What is this? Did this guy just use the coin so he can push his own? This guy's genius, bro. He's a genius. Whoa, bro. Wait, so what if... Does it count if I post something like that? Probably not. Because I'm not as popular, right? Why can't I put you there? So if I took this, just called it that and 100k this, so it's not going to show, right? Because I'm not as big or whatever. I mean, I have 1k. I mean, How am I not big? Yeah. So why do you show this though? How much is it? A bit more, bro. Just a bit more. It's fine. Alright, next. Memecoin War. What is printer? Does anybody know this? What is printer? Printer. Never heard of that. Whoa, we have a new one. Nice. Different this. Okay. Nice. Bro, I'll DM them for collab. I swear. Next, so we have printer. That's a new thing. I see. We have some coins here. So they have been around, but they just launched. We have Bonk. It's there. We have Bonfun. Obviously, Moonshot. We have every single platform actually pumps coins daily. So, are we back? Our trench is good. Look at that. Printer. Look at that, bro. Although I've never traded them. Obviously, they're pretty new. Let me see. Do we have that? Printer. Okay, I'll tell Axiom because I don't see printer. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. 23k. That's a lot. That's a lot. Daily tokens deployed. Okay. So nice. I mean, that's good. Obviously, this is like 1% of them, and so even half of that you can actually get because most of them just go from 0 to million out of nowhere, so you can't even catch them. Nice, nice. So we just caught this. We just caught this, guys, because I was using alpha. You should use this fucking feature, bro. I'll make a video on that. I'll make a video on how alpha works. Next. Yep, there we go. There we go. Nice, nice, really. That's bad, bro. It just jumped to 45k. What happened? Although we have more tokens created. That's interesting. Interesting. What? Okay, next. Axiom. How are we doing? Nice. We're doing good. I only care about Axiom, let me tell you that. Although I'm partnered with the GMGN, I was partnered with Nova. Like, with a lot of guys, I like Axiom the most. They treated me very well. Drop a like, guys. Just drop a like. Okay. Next. So, what are we having? Let me see. Okay. What are we having? We're done with memes, so we just sent a call. Let me see. Okay, I'll talk about stuff in VIP about memes. I don't want to say it here, obviously. not free. And okay, there we go. Next, we are going to perps, because I'm trading my perps here. You are losing your money if you're not trading on here. Obviously, you don't have to analyze here. I analyze on TradingView because, you know, clearly you can see why. But I trade here because I have 5x now. So, and if you do sign up with my code, you're gonna also have that. Anyways. Why is it weird? Why is it weird? What did I do wrong? Wait, I did something wrong. Logarithmic. Nice. Yeah, I like it like this, honestly. More. Alright, so we are trading perps here. Perfect. We're gonna move to perps right now. Do some analysis. Let's go Bitcoin first. Honestly. Yeah, it's respecting my GAN fan very well, staying underneath. And if this just confirmed, this one confirmed that there is no way it's going higher. Like, we finally got somewhere, right? We got here, but then we just went down. Like, let's put it there. So we can clearly see that once it hits here from upside, when you go down, we can clearly see it bounces, right? We can clearly see that. And I feel like that 80k is the point where if you go here, it just hits boom down. You're not allowed. You're not allowed. To go through and push higher, you need like some god candles, right? You need this. You can't push through this that easily. So I feel like we're very, very close to going down. Yeah. The cup and handle is also closing. It's very soon to be closed. I need to, yeah, also here as well, bro. My GAN fan is respecting. Like, if we pull out 4, I can clearly see the cup and handle. Clearly, like right there, and there is a handle. I feel like we're about to go down any moment soon. Like, right here is this, like, my goodness, why am I having so many GAN fans? Fuck off, bro. Fuck off. So, right there, we basically, yeah. Can I remove all of this? Thank you. Yeah. Look at that. We might have already did this. Maybe this was the handle. Or maybe we're about to do handle here. But that's that. And you can clearly see what's going to happen after. I would love to know arguments that it's not going to go down. But I cannot find them. So I'll talk about that. Then I'm going lower, cup and handle. I'll screenshot this to send to my VIP. So yeah, maybe just a bit more, yeah. if it's, look at that, right here is this. So here we go. Just a bit more screenshot there as well. So I feel like, yeah, short term we can push higher to maybe 90. Why not? I mean, obviously there is a potential if war, stops, which it won't. I said this 7 days ago that Iran will not accept anything, that it will be stupid for them, because I was doing a Polymarket and I said they will, like, no way. Why would they want peace? Why? It's so, like, no sense. And I was right. So I feel like short term that we will go higher. Obviously I will tell MVP where we are going higher. Nice, I feel. Yeah, my Fibonacci is perfect. Although we're hitting this, which is interesting. If we push a bit more, we could get to 90, but it's either way. I feel like that's why I'm not trading currently. Although, oh my goodness, look at that cup and handle, bro. Cup and there is a handle. So we are just looking for this cup and handle. There we go. That's all we are looking for. And then it's all the way down. So let's use some indicators to tell us what's going on. We're obviously gonna use, yeah. Yo, that's hard, bro. That's hard. Even though you see clearly that it's kind of like green on 1-day chart as well, we're still not moving. We're not moving, guys. It looks like green, but look at this. The whole range is just under this. Like, we are not moving. So we need clear breakout, either up or down. And I feel like this right there, like this cup and handle, it perfectly aligns as well. Yeah, and it aligns here as well. Like, if I put it right there, see? Look at that. Boom. Why did it happen? Here as well. So this is, to me, if I'm using charts, this is clear to me that we are going lower. Next. Okay. Nice, 4 hours. Okay, we're not gonna watch 4 hours. Now I'm gonna give what to trade and whether if to trade or no. I'll say you shouldn't trade at this point. You shouldn't. I want to remove drawings. Okay, there's not much drawings anyway. Yeah. It's catching to it. Obviously. I love this. I love how these indicators just tell you. Both of them, once this broke, we got this. All the way down, bro. I like it. But I need this. I need it here. So if you clearly see 1 week, wait, let me see. 1 week. Clearly we are having downtrend. So whilst we are trying to make profits on these 1 hour and 2 hour, if we look at like longer range, we are definitely going lower than this, bro. Much lower. So next, Using all my indicators, moon phases as well, bro. Like, let me see 1 day, bro. Yep, right there. Even lower. So what I'm saying is possibly we can go for 3 or 4% max, bro. But that's it. Like, I wouldn't go for more than 3%. And obviously I'm talking about like max leverage. So yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't be so confident. Obviously, what I've seen is like every single time we're blue moon, we're going down. And so I feel like by the end of this moon, which if we estimate it, we just copy paste this range right there, which is here, May 1st. Yeah, that's when it happens. That's down. That's gonna go down, bro. There is absolutely no reason to go up. The reason why it's chopping like this because they're just liquidating everybody. They're just getting everybody out of market. Next, volume is pretty trash. Pretty trash. Even, let me see. It's a buy, which is good, but I feel like people are just buying because they're DCAing and not actually buying. Yeah, this is basically not moving. You see, it's weird. Obviously, we got one here. Nothing special. Nothing special. It's just sidewaying into oblivion. We have next. I just used that, but it's okay. Now, yeah. It's just down, down, down. Like even this shows us down, 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 down. Like just like that. Bullshit, bro. Bullshit. Because it's very hard to make a trade. That's obviously why we do that's why we are on memes as well and Polymarket as well, so we can maximize our money. But yeah, we just can't find a good trade though. Just can't find a good trade. Although, look at that. 1 day, we're having this. 4 hours. Yeah. 1 week. Absolute trash, bro. Absolute trash. And these two, which is this, I feel like it's just this, right? So I mean, I will. Basically, next. Didn't I just use parabolic? Yeah, I did. It's fine. Although, yeah, look at this. Probability uptrend is 60%. But we are using multiple indicators for a reason, right? So, because one can be wrong. Yeah. I agree. We can go high. Obviously, you can clearly see that it's a downtrend when it comes to 1 week. So maybe you have few more chances to get this, like, to get this little 3 to 5%. But overall, 1 week, pretty bad. Bro, look at that. Look at that. Very bad. Next. This. Fucking hell, I'm using same ones. My goodness, please, man. Simple more average, nice. Yeah, it's just confirming the same thing. Either, what I'm seeing is most of them are showing me, okay, indicators. If you want to know what I wrote, join the Discord. I don't want to say. Okay. So let me use my last indicators. And volume is actually interesting. The volume is going down, man. The volume is going down. Of course, I'm using Solana, but come on. It's just down, bro. It's so fucking down. 1 week? We don't want to talk about it, right? We don't want to talk about it. The fact that volume is so down. So how is the market pumping? How are we even having these greens? It's based on liquidations. So it's just sideways until everybody gets so tired. But I will not get tired because I can just switch to memes or Polymarket while you whales are playing the game here. So that's that. That's my analysis for perps. Perfection, bro. Perfection. Perfection. We're about to go down. Just you'll see. We're about to go down. I would like to be wrong, and maybe it's gonna go much higher. Fine. I can profit on that, but most likely we're going down. BTC, yeah, it touched there. That's what professor said, and he's also in short position. Like so crazy. BNB, I remember this. Yeah, October. Bro, I held my coins. They just all the way down. What's more interesting to analyze? Maybe we can see memes. Yeah. No reason, honestly. Check out Nvidia. There we go. That's a trade. That's a fucking trade. We choose Fibonacci to perfectly trade this. And I placed this a long time ago. Nice. Also, like, stocks are just like other way around from crypto. If crypto is going down, stocks are going up. So you can trade stocks as well. If you know at least something, like if you know Nvidia, which is collabed with Elon Musk, you can clearly know that this is going up. Or you can trade, let me delete this. Or you can trade GTA, because once they get this announcement, you can clearly buy this, because this is gonna go high once GTA comes out. Isn't that obvious? So I will just send one more. I'll send this one for free. This one is for free. This one is free. Take two. Okay, GTA. And now I'm moving to Polymarket. Polymarket. Just Polymarket right there. Yeah, that's that. Tesla is doing good, obviously. Nothing special to trade, but yeah, a bit downtrend we can see because fucking crypto will go up a bit, so stocks will go down a bit. So you can maybe catch this, and you don't have to have some special kind. I think we can trade them here. If not, you can trade them. No, we can't. You can trade them via terminal. Trade on Phantom wallet. When you go to Phantom wallet, you can find Tesla. So let's find it here. We can try. You can clearly see if you go to perps. We have, this is what I follow. So you can follow gold. You don't have to create some account on some unknown platform to you just use your Phantom wallet. You can go to Tesla and you can trade Tesla here. So let's follow, and you can just trade here with your own money right there. Nice. You can literally just buy short Tesla with, I don't know how much you want. We can do max 10x and we can short it for a bit. You can always do that. Because we don't have that here, but we have more stuff like Sol, obviously. And the reason you should be trading on Axiom is because you have 5x cashback from my code, and you don't have that here. But when it comes to stocks or gold, you can obviously trade on Phantom. So that's my analysis. This coin is still hanging on. It's kind of going down, so patience. We'll see what's gonna happen. And yeah, that's that. I see a little pumping. Yeah, nice. Okay, so is there anything we got that we can? No way. Bro, sponsor me, man. Okay. So we're just gonna see if there's anything. For real, man. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So true. So true. This guy got lean, bro. There we go. So we just scrolled a bit to see if there's anything. Nothing special. Alright. We are here on Polymarket. Closing this. Oh my goodness. We're going on. I'll wait for my entry, honestly. If this goes down, I'm willing to fucking buy this. Honestly, maybe even here. Honestly. Bro, look at the fucking volume, bro. Look at that. Look at the volume, bro. Insane. Anal? Why is this pumping? Bundle shit. Lana. Where? Pump fun, okay. Anyways, let's move to fucking Polymarket. Oh my goodness. Because I don't know when the next stream will be, because there's nothing much to talk about. Obviously, I caught this, and I caught this right there. So if anybody followed, got that. Let's see what else we got. Kanye. This just risen. I was right about that as well. If you remember, I'm gonna go and see that. Okay, just send that. Well, will evolve. Did I? cash. By June, it went down, but it spiked. You could have caught the spike. Did I tell you about this? Yep, we caught that. So I'll just put it there. Will the US withdraw from NATO? Do I have this? Yes. And I put December, and it's still just 12%. So we'll have to wait. So I'll put the clock. X. Fire. Let me see this. So I said it's gonna be this one because it's going to spike. So just clock. What will Trump say in April? So I said, let's okay, so I said he's going to dog. What about dog? What did they call this? 11th of April. Okay, we caught a bit, so I was wrong about dog. But it's not yet, so okay, still waiting actually. Still waiting. Okay, what will Trump say during no tax? Do I have that one? What will during no tax? Yes, on round table. Let's see if I was right. He did not say election. Say election, so I was wrong about that. Although he did say some interesting thing. Hottest? That's so weird. How many times did he say it though? Okay, it's fine. Put out. Next. FIFA. Did Germany go from somewhere? Did anything move? Nothing moved. Okay, everything is basically the same. World Cup. You have to wait. I'll make trades, don't worry. What will US? Okay, which maps? Do I have it? Okay, I was right about that. It grew from 6 to 28 50%. So I was right about that. Yeah, I was also for Inferno, possibly, but there we go. I was right about that. Now I'm gonna make new trades if market allows. Oh, hoo. Maybe go a bit lower. Thanks. Also, for anybody who caught that, that's 50% for you, bro. Whoever is scalping, just go and trade from my call. Yeah, that's weird. Also, some chopping here. That's weird. That's weird. Okay, let's have this all the way here so we can check it later. Let me see just how many people are waiting for on Discord. Insane. Okay. I'm not even going to say. Also, we've been live for an hour and 15. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, next. Let's see what's going on. We'll go through everything. BTC up or down? Yes, up. BTC up. I'm interested. So we will keep this. Can we? I feel like up. 5 minutes though. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, yeah. 5 minutes. Yes, 100%. Okay. So that's a. This is a target. What do you mean? There we go. We will keep an eye on that. I'm interested to see if this is a bot, because I'm new to Polymarket as well. We've been going up. I like this. It's just like trading though. Nice. This guy's actually insane. This guy is insane. This guy is just trading up and down. So interesting. Okay, sending into VIP something. I'm not gonna tell you what. Just join so you can know. Yeah, this is. You can just buy and sell. Insane. We're gonna keep watching that, but let's move to the next. Returns to normal. No. How much is it now? This is a safe one. Safe one. Easy money. Explain more in details. It's obvious now. Will the Virginia? I don't know. I don't. Extended? I don't know. So, how are we doing here? Let's see. Please, man, give me one. Draw. Huh? I've been watching the market for a long time and I can't congratulate. Can go up or down. No, this guy's crazy. Bio on 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 YouTube and X and Kick and Twitch. My Discord. Let's put my Discord there. Nice. This guy's insane. Next, let's go to politics one by one. I'm just waiting for conclusion whether we were right. Whoa, we're down. Whoa. We were down for some time though. Nice. Okay. We were up. We were up though. We were up though. I was wrong. We were down. That's an interesting one. Okay. I'm not that good at 5 minutes though. I can tell you 1 hour maybe, 1 day. 5 minutes, it's just a little gamble. That's why don't do that. Next, Trump. My goodness, this guy is so fucking aura. So fucking aura. You have 298 for just Trump, bro. You're still watching, gang? Nice. This guy's aura. US and meeting though. Why? 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 Let me ask Brock. Let's start. Why would they even meet this month? Will qualify, okay. 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 Got it. Grok, don't do this, bro. Grok. Okay. I'll let you breathe. Oh! Oh, that changes. That changes things. I didn't know that. Yeah, I know this. Yes, I know this. Honestly, I don't want to. I don't wanna. I need to wait for info. So. Let you know, but this should be easy money. Okay. No. Why? Would he meet if he go to China? Why would he go to China? I need to know info. Grok, don't do this to me. Who are you working for, bro? Not moving. We're choppy. We're bad looking chart. We're bad looking chart. Is going. This is... So why isn't 15th May just 100% if it's confirmed? Grok, who are you working for, bro? Grok. Grok. Even though the visit must actually happen no later, are real trips are often shipped all delays. So May 31st is actually easy trade then, basically. So I mean, this is free money then, isn't it? Because he's going to meet. I mean, it's confirmed. It's fucking free. I don't give a fuck. Grok, who are you working for, my bro? This is a free one. I'll send this for free to my group. Grok. Lock in, bro. Oh my god, lock in, bro. This very safe one. Alright. There we go, that's a trade. I'll put that in my favorites though. So did I not favorite trait of Morels? Yeah, I had to. So next. I don't know about all of these. Maybe abstain? No, why would this even happen? No. Okay. I'll keep this. Next. Sports. Not interested, but I could see if there's esports. Can make an easy one. There's live. Can't tell you. TS Eternal Fire. This is easy. Easy. Yeah. You go Iran. Iran. Interesting. Yeah, I knew that this is not going to happen. I knew it. I knew it. It was just pushed a bit by Elon Musk, and obviously it's not going to happen. There we go. It's back now. So that was the point where I should have bought, because it was perfectly. But I thought maybe it's gonna go to this range as well. You know, just a bit. You know. There you go. Anything new? So I can tell you. Nothing. Piano Man. What the actual fuck? Okay. Next. So I don't have anything around. Nothing special. Nothing. I mean, these are safer ones, right? These are safer ones. I just don't know much so that I can speak about it. But when it comes to this, I think it's really obvious because Google is not going to do shit. So let's another easier one. So I heard that something's going on there. Well, I heard from the guy from Cambodia, but I heard it's something special though. Culture. I need to focus on this one. YouTube, Mr. Beast. I've heard about this. I don't think though. And I'm not gonna tell you why. I'm gonna send this in the VIP. This should be an easy one. I do know about this one, so I'm not gonna say why. If you wanna know, just join VIP. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is good. Economy, I don't know. Weather, I don't know. Although I'm interested. Where can I? Don't I have a friend in? I mean, have a friend here. Maybe he can tell me. I'll text him. Okay, nice. Next, who do I have in London? Well, I have one guy. It's fine. I have nobody from here. Do I have anybody from Israel? I don't. American, I don't think so. Okay. Okay, so we can't bet on that. Let's go mentions. What? Ooh, who? Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Nice. Elon? Where's Elon? Elon Musk? No, okay, weird. Banana. Right. Lens. Video. That's an interesting one though. I feel like this will be perfect. There we go. We have elections. I've been looking into this. So yeah, we can always like just trade on the most likely one. You know, we can always just bet on, you know. But we're not looking for that. Interesting though. This will be interesting. But I will follow that once I know. Because I don't know. Yo, let me guess who's going on, bro. Let me guess. October? Why do you have double? Oh. But like, why do you have double? Oh, good. It's fine. Taiwan, December, February, March, in May next year. There is election in my country. All right, there we go. That's analysis. We got nothing else. Nothing else. Literally, just gave out calls, told you everything what to do. I'll see you next week probably, because there's nothing much to do anyway. There's not much. I'll be on Polymarket mostly. I just said what's gonna happen with perps. I'm gonna be on Polymarket, probably a bit on Memecoins as well. But that's that. I'm happy if you caught this from the call. And there we go. I'll see you on the next one.